friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about modal ability CAM. Introduction. What is a modal? Modal. A modal is a word that comes before the main verb. Modal. Modal gives a verb extra meaning. Can. Can shows ability. The modal can is a model of ability. Can. Able to do something. For example, can. I can read. I can ride a horse. She can use a computer. Sentence pattern. Modal plus base verb. Modal always followed by base verb. Base verb. A base verb is a verb with no ending added to it. No ending means can plus cooks, cooked, cooking. Wrong. No ending means a word without s, ed, ing like cook. Can plus cook. Correct. Positive sentences. Can. He can play a guitar. I can cook. She can run. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.